so-called Rapid 9, unfortunately naging Rapid 8 dahil yung isa po namin yung team leader ay nagka-emergency. So, to be succeeded by yours truly, I am no other than Mr. Dimar Rambayon from DDRM Office, Tactical Rescue Squad. So, ipapakilala ko po sa inyo ngayong umaga ang aking mga kasamahan. Kalikod sir. So, ako po ang tumatayong succeeded by me, naging team leader po, followed by our planning officer, Mr. Joel Santos. From Barangay Buli Rescue, Mr. Pablo Beltran, our logistics from Barangay Sukat, and Master Sergeant Arnel Manzanilla, our finance admin and security from the Philippine National Police. Followed by Mr. Edward Brocar, our operations division head from the office of the building officials. Then Mr. Kenji Aman, our communication from Barangay Poblacion, Fire Rescue. Then Mr. Arcel Cabanilla from Barangay Alabang, our document.